How to tie a necktie. Tying a tie can seem like a daunting task, but with a little practice and patience, it can become second nature. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you tie a tie. Number 1. Start with the wide end of the tie on your right side and the narrow end on your left. The wide end should be about 12 inches lower than the narrow end. Number 2. Cross the wide end over the narrow end, then bring it up and over the narrow end again. Number 3. Next, take the wide end and bring it down through the loop at the front of the tie, then up behind the knot you just created. Number 4. Bring the wide end down over the front of the knot, then tuck it up through the loop at the back of the knot. Number 5. Adjust the knot by holding the narrow end of the tie and pulling the knot up to your neck. Tighten the knot by pulling gently on the wide end of the tie. Number 6. Finally, adjust the knot and the length of the tie as needed. The tie should be long enough to reach your belt buckle. With a little practice, you'll be able to tie a tie in no time.